not many people get to see some of these fixtures. You know, the work that goes into them is just absolutely phenomenal. You really appreciate the kind of skill levels that you have here, Andy.
Yeah, there's a lot of work goes into this, Joe. Design and manufacture, you're talking hundreds of hours.
Now, you know, it's all right looking at these fixtures, and they are, in my opinion, pieces of art. However, you know, what do they actually do? You know, for this particular fixture, what does it do, Andy?
Well, this is for an aerospace component. It was very difficult to do because it's a thin wall part. What we had to do is get the clamping through portholes all around the diameter. So it did prove very difficult for the designers, but they came up with a solution, and it works well.
Now, are the fixtures that you make predominantly for the aerospace industry?
The majority are at the moment. I mean, it's not to say that we don't do it for any other areas. We have done quite a few different industries, and we are diverse. So, we will look at anything. But at the moment, yeah, it's predominantly aerospace.
Now, this particular fixture is upside down, and it's a kind of a variant of this particular one here. Now, can you explain the hydraulic system that operates it? Firstly on this one that's upside down, and then we'll move on to the front end of the fixture.
Sure. Well, this is the fixture's a hydraulic fixture. It's a diaphragm, and also it's got swing clamps. What we try and do with the fixtures now is try and integrate all the hydraulics internally with drilling. We try and eliminate as much of the pipe work as possible because we don't want a massive spaghetti as such in there. We want it nice and clean and easy for the guys to put together. So that's what you've got there.
Simplifying it through, yeah. And that's, I suppose, investing in the latest technology as well.
It is, yeah.
Now, moving on to the front end of this fixture, can you explain what this does, please? And what part it's for?
Basically, again, it's for an aerospace component. And what this does, the component is loaded on. The diaphragm actually rises up, centralizes the part. Once that's centralized, the clamps come on the outside and they actually clamp into an OD groove. Once the clamps are on, the diaphragm then releases and then drops down. And by doing that, it enables the customer then to actually bore the component while it's clamped, thus eliminating quite a few operations that was originally required.
Is this quite unique?
It's unique for us. It's something that we've developed, and I've not seen it anywhere else. So I would say, yeah.